Alright, so I was gifted this little camera, Yashica C. It is a very old camera from the 1950s, and it takes 120 film. And my buddy Eric gave this to me, so I thought I'd check it out. So we're going to load this film in here. I've never done this before, so thought I would record it. Let's open this all up. And pull this out. Don't need that spool. So we're going to open this. Let's see here. Okay. Here we go. Okay. So we're going to put the spool in here. Okay, I think that's in there, right? Okay, so now I'm going to pull the film up, and I need to thread it into this top spool. Need a little bit more. Here we go. Okay, so now what I do is push in this button here and start winding. It should go. There we go. And I keep winding until I see the arrows. Here they come. Here comes the arrows. So I get those arrows lined up with these little red arrows inside. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. So now I'm going to close the door and lock it in place. And then I'm going to come up here and it's going to tell me my counter, and I'm going to keep twisting this until I get to right there, number 1. I am now ready to take a picture. So, throw this away. And what you do is you pop this open. Let me adjust this on a little bit. And what you can't see is that you look down in there, and that lets you see what you're going to take a picture of through the top lens. The top lens is for finding your image. The bottom lens is what takes the picture. This is your focus knob. And as you turn the focus knob, it actually brings out the entire front face of the camera. So when it's all the way in, that's its minimum focus distance, which is about, I figured it out to be about 3.5 feet. And then this takes it out to infinity. So on the other side, you have nothing except for the winding spools and a cold shoe, which does nothing. And you got a self timer right down here. You get your shutter release button. You got a shutter winder mechanism, and then we can set our aperture over here and our shutter speed over here. So I'm going to take this and get a few sample pictures, and we'll see how it goes.